Hello guys, we all want our teeth to be beautiful and white, but for some reason our teeth turn black and yellow, which looks very bad. So today I will tell you some tips and tricks to make your black and yellow teeth whiten naturally. So let's get started. If you want to get daily new health and beauty tips like this, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to it. Number 1. Baking soda. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water and brush your teeth with the paste. You can do this a few times per week. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. To use it as a mouthwash, dilute it with water and swish it around in your mouth for several minutes. Make sure to rinse your mouth with plain water afterwards. Number 3. Strawberries. Smash up a fresh strawberry. Combine it with baking soda and brush the mixture on your teeth. Strawberry mash up 1 or 2 strawberries and add about a teaspoon of baking soda using a children's toothbrush. This helps to get between teeth better. Rub this mix on your teeth for 5 or several minutes. Floss out any strawberry seeds that still may be lingering between. Number 4. Banana peel. Rub your teeth with the inside of a banana peel. The peel is rich in magnesium, manganese and potassium, which reaches the enamel. Brush your teeth a few minutes later and use the peel at least twice a week. Number 5. Coconut oil pulling. Simply put a spoonful of coconut oil in your mouth and squeeze it between your teeth for 5 to 20 minutes or add a few drops to your toothbrush and brush it on. Another option is to apply coconut oil to a corner of a clean washcloth and rub it on your teeth. Number 6. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide prevents the growth of bacteria, can help to prevent infection and prevents bad breath, which often results from bacteria. Simply swish some food-grade hydrogen peroxide around in your mouth for a few seconds, then spit it out. Another option would be to mix a 50-50 solution using FGHP and water and swish it around for 60 seconds. Number 7. Orange peel. Rub your teeth with the inside of an orange peel. The peel is rich in magnesium, manganese and potassium, which recharges the enamel. Brush your teeth a few minutes later and use the peel at least twice a week. Number 8. Basil leaves and mustard oil. Try crushing up dried basil leaves to form a mildly absorbive powder and mixing with mustard oil for a fast, effective way to whiten your teeth at home. You can also use fresh basil leaves crushed into a paste and apply it directly onto the teeth using a toothbrush. Basil is said to help to protect the gums, while mustard oil is antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties to promote great all-around the oral health. Number 9. Lemon. The bleaching property present in lemons can also help get rid of yellow discoloration. In fact, gargling with lemon juice and scrubbing your teeth with lemon peel is one of the best way to make your teeth white again. Number 1. Mix together a few drops of lemon juice and some salt. Number 2. Apply the mixture on the stained teeth and rub the paste vulgarly over your teeth and gums. Leave it on for a few minutes and then rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Number 3. Do this twice daily for about 2 weeks to get rid of tartar and the yellow thing. Number 10. Salt. Salt is one of the fundamental dental cleansing agents that has been used for ages. It helps replenish lost mineral content in the teeth and helps revive with white color. You can use common salt regularly each morning as the tooth powder instead of toothpaste. Another option is to mix common salt with charcoal and brush your teeth with it regularly. Let friends know how you like the video by commenting, and if you like it and share it with a like on the video. Thank you so much.